Good morning, my world family. Welcome to Sam Welding TV, where we bend steel with passion. This morning, we're going to talk about the reference numbers of welding processes. Reference numbers of welding processes. This part of ISO 9606 covers the following manual or partly mechanized welding processes. Reference numbers of welding processes for symbolic representation are listed in ISO 4063. So 111 is manual metal arc welding. 114 self-shielded tubular cord arc welding. 121 submerged arc welding with solid wire electrode, partly mechanized. 125 submerged arc welding with tubular cord electrode, partly mechanized. 131 MIG welding with solid wire electrode. MIG stands for metal inert gas. 135 MAG welding with solid wire electrode. MAG, M stands for metal, A stands for active, G stands for gas. Metal active gas. 136 MAG welding with flux cord electrode. 138 MAG welding with metal cord electrode. 141 TIG. TIG stands for tungsten inert gas. TIG welding with solid wire, solid filler material. 142 autogenous TIG welding process. 143 TIG welding with tubular cord filler material. 145 TIG welding reducing gas and solid filler material. And 15 is for plasma arc welding. And then 111 is oxyacetylene welding. Other name, it is gas welding. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have learned. Please share your ideas and your thoughts. Thank you.